Differentiation of infinite series. Definition of infinite series. Now discuss the definition of infinite series. In this type problem, by the same rule of logarithmic function. By the same rule of logarithmic function. Here question. In this topic, the given problem are definition of infinite series. In this type of problem, by using the logarithmic differentiations, the definition of logarithmic functions and infinite series are both, but changing both are same sign, same types. Here the problem, the functions are given in infinite number of terms, and definition of logarithmic functions where only 1 or 2 power. For example, here question first, if y is equal to x power x, y is equal to, if y is equal to x power x dotted infinite, y is equal to x power x so on infinite number of terms, then find the value of, then prove that dx of y is equal to y square divided by x into x into 1 minus y log of x. In this type of problems are important of infinite series. Given that y is equal to x power x in number of infinite terms, then prove that dx of y is equal to y square divided by x in bracket 1 minus y into log x. The student, first time we know that here given that solution, given that y is equal to x or x so हमने आपको बताया कि जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम इन पावर फंक्शन में गिवन हो तो फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग क्या करते हैं, लॉग टेक करते हैं. बट इन दिस केस लॉग टेकिंग द लॉग ऑन बोथ साइड करेंगे, बट फर्स्ट टाइम सेम कंडीशंस. इन दिस प्रॉब्लम वन स्टेप also remember, first time which is written as y is equal to, the base value was written as, and here we can write in the form x power x that is equal to y. Here these values are we can written as in the form x power x so on. In this topic process we can written as y or given b, y is equal to x power y in the given problem, from the given problem. Here the functions x is variable and y also variables. We know that if the functions, any problems are differentiating when the variable power variable, then taking log on both sides. Hence, taking log both sides, begin log of y is equal to log of x power y. Is using property of logarithms. Log of x power n is equal to n log x y into log of x. Differentiating it with respect to x, we get 1 upon y dx of y by implicit function is equal to, here differentiation product of two functions. First function y into differentiation of second function log x. We know that differentiation of log x 1 by x plus second function log x, second function log x, second function log x, and differentiation of y is known as 1, but by multiply by dy upon dx b. Transform of dy by dx in same side. Solve 1 upon y into dy upon dx minus log x into dx of y is equal to y by x. Solving these in here, we get 1 upon y, dy upon dx will be common. We get 1 upon y minus log x is equal to y by x. Solving this, dx of y is equal to, taking y is LCM, 1 minus y log of x is equal to y by x. Transfer these, dx of y is equal to, y will be multiplied by y square into x into 1 minus y into log of x. That's all. In same conditions, next problem. If y is equal to, question number second, if y is equal to sin x power sin x power sin x so on infinite number of times, find, then prove that dx of y is equal to y square into cot x, y square into cot x divided by 1 minus y log of sin x. Here the given problem. The problems are given by infinite series. Solution, given that same type problems, y is equal to sin x power sin x whole power sin x or infinite numbers. We can redirect in the form y is equal to sin x power sin x dot infinite number terms. Here taking that value of terms which are in y, we get y is equal to sin x power y, sin x power y. Now using the previous rule. Here sin x one functions and y another functions, taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, log of y is equal to log of sin x whole power y. By the property of logarithms, using log of y is equal to y into log of sin x. Differentiating it with respect to x, we get 1 upon y into dx of y by implied functions. Here differentiation of these functions by product of two functions, y into differentiation of log sin x, 1 upon sin x, and differentiation of sin x by composite function is known as cos x, plus log of sin x and differentiation of y is known as 1 but multiplied by dy upon dx by implied functions dx of y. Now transform dx of y in LHS and taking common, we get dx of y in bracket 1 upon y minus log of sin x is equal to cos x upon sin x is known as cot x and multiplied by y into cot x. Taking LCM, we get dx of y equal to y upon 1 minus y log of sin x equal to y into cot of x. Transform these values in RHS, y will be multiplied by, we get dx of y is equal to y square into cot x divided by 1 minus y log of sin x. That's all. In this type, problems are also solving these. Next problem. If y is equal to, question number 3, if y is equal to root of sin x plus root of sin x plus dot infinite number of terms. Then prove that एक problem नहीं lost. dx of y is equal to cos x upon 2y minus 1. चलो सुनो. Here the infinite number of series, given that y is equal to root of sin x plus root of sin x plus root of sin x plus dot infinite number. We are taking first terms because y is equal to root of sin x plus y in the given rules. Same conditions here, squaring both sides, here squaring both side big. Y square is equal to sin x plus y. Differentiating it with respect to y, big. The differentiation of y square is known as 2y into dx of y by implicit functions. Here differentiation of sin x is known as cos x plus differentiation of y is 1 into multiply by dy upon dx. Transfer dy upon dx and taking the common dx of y and 2y minus 1 is equal to cos x. Simplify by dx of y is equal to cos x upon 2y minus 1. That's all. Same process are always applied. The questions are solved. In the infinite number of series and logarithmic functions, our problem was given in books and provided is solved.